Today I am starting chapter 1 of business studies, that is nature and purpose of business. But before jumping on to the meaning and purpose of business, we should understand human activities. Human activities are of two types, economic activity and non-economic activity. Economic activities are those activities which are money motive and undertaken for generation of income. For example, chef cooking food in hotel is economic activity, whereas non-economic activities are those activities which are not money motive but are undertaken out of love and affection. For example, mother cooking food for her children. Economic activities are generally of three types: business, profession and employment. What do you mean by business? Business term is generally means being busy, but in technical terms, if we define business, then business is an economic activity in which production or procurement of goods and services is done for the purpose of selling them and generating profits. So here we understood the three major characteristics of business. First is it is an economic activity, second is it is profit motive, and third is it should be done on regular basis. And what we do in business, we produce or arrange goods and services for the purpose of reselling them and making money. Profession. Profession involves providing specialized services on the basis of specialized knowledge and certificates. For example, doctors, lawyers, teachers, they render specialized professional services on the basis of procurement of specialized certificate of their education. Employment. When person works for somebody else, it is known as employment, and for this in return he gets what? He gets salary and wages periodically, generally it's monthly.